In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take screenshots and annotate them directly in Notion using a handy browser extension. First up, you'll want to head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for the free extension called Screenshot to Notion and Annotate by Markup Hero. This extension is essential for the process we're about to embark upon. And what's great is that it's completely free to use. Once you find it, go ahead and add it to your Chrome browser. You'll be prompted to confirm by clicking Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. It's a quick installation, but just make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome to avoid any compatibility issues. After you've added the extension, the next step is to sign in. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials, and if you're new, you'll need to set up an account which the extension will guide you through seamlessly. Your login will help the tool keep your screenshots organized and linked to your Notion workspace. This might seem like an extra step, but it ensures that all your screenshots are stored safely and are easily accessible whenever you need them. Next, you'll need to authorize the extension to connect to your Notion workspace. This step involves selecting the specific workspace and pages where you'd like the screenshots to be added. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process where you just follow the prompts and make your selections. This connection is what enables the screenshots you take to appear automatically in Notion, saving you the hassle of uploading them manually. Now, after your setup is complete, you'll notice the small icon of the extension sitting neatly in your browser's toolbar. This is your doorway to taking screenshots. Clicking on it will give you two main options for capturing your screen: a standard screenshot of the visible part of the page, or a scrolling screenshot of the entire web page. Both options are incredibly useful, depending on what you need to capture, and you can try both to see which suits your project best. Once you've taken your desired screenshot, the tool will prompt you to choose an existing Notion page or create a new one to insert your image. Upon selecting, the screenshot gets embedded as an image on your chosen Notion page, making it incredibly easy to organize and find later. Finally, the real magic happens when you open the embedded screenshot and start annotating using the markup tools. These tools allow you to highlight, draw, and add text, amongst other features, enabling you to communicate your thoughts clearly right where your screenshot lives. This annotating feature is particularly powerful when you need to share feedback or ideas visually. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've integrated a powerful screenshot and annotation tool into your Notion workflow, enhancing your productivity and collaboration efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy annotating!